Hello everybody, this is Leela, and I'm doing a late Team 30. My hair's a bit of a mess. I was up until, so I couldn't do Team Thursday because, this week I was busy, really, really busy. And, just Thursday was busy too, like the whole week. I've just been running around doing stuff, and I went to sleep today. And so I'm doing a Team Thursday on Saturday. So yeah. Um, so Theme Thursday was space. It was like space with robots, aliens, all kinds of stuff that has to do with space. Even um, if it's um, like, um, but like Star Wars, not the real, space stuff and stuff like that. That's what I was trying to say. And then birds. And so I have a bit of I have mostly birds, but I have a bit. I have something else. Oh, shoot! I didn't do. Oh well. I could dress Malachi in front of everybody. Yeah, I could do that. But I'll do the girls first. And let's start with Odell. So she's wearing a sleeper, as you can see, and it has little dots on it. It's a bit big on her because she's newborn, but she's a bit smaller. And she has, there you go. She has a little owl on it, there, right here. And you know how I love owls, and I have birds and stuff. So there you go. There's a little owl. It's like a sleeper, a blue sleeper with a peachy type colored owl, like a pale, or yeah, it's not pink. It's like a peach, very pale, very light color, and it has little bows made of ribbon that goes down the sleeper, and it also has buttons that go down the sleeper, and it also has um, I don't know how you call this again for the hands. It's like mittens, but it's like attached to sleeper, so you can cover the hands with it. And yeah, so um, this is what she's wearing. And so yeah, it's like it's a very light blue, and it has white polka dots on it, and it also has little owls at the feet of it. So it's a cute little sleeper that she's wearing. And then I'm going to go for, oh, she also was wearing a hat. I had a hat on her. It slipped off. There you go. She's wearing a hat too, which is light blue too. And then I have Yuri. Here's my Yuri. She's also wearing owls. She has an owl on here. She has an owl here. Well, she has, her she has a hat, which is a summer hat, and it has all kinds of flowers on it, and a butterfly, and it's pink. It's pink, and it has some yellow. Look, the butterfly has yellow and orange polka dots, and it's lined in brown. Um, and yeah, so, and she has white flowers on it, and some black flowers, and it's just nice, awful design. And then she also has like a strap that goes around the chin, and then her sleeper has striped green, striped orange, peach, white, auburn. But yeah, and it's in green, and yes, it has this lots of colors. And then she has an orange owl that is flying, and then she has I don't even know what color to call this, but it's also kind of orange but darker. And the green, so she has like an orangey type uh, owl with an orange flower on her head, and then there's a green owl, and they're on a branch, or a leaf, or let's say a branch with leaves on them, like green leaves. Yeah, and so it's very colorful. This is a romper she's wearing, and she's wearing pink socks to go with it, and pink mittens because it has pink in it. Like oh yeah, it's just full of colors. So there she is. And then I have Quinn, who has, I'm not sure the type of bird that's on it. But yeah, she has birds on her front, like you can see. And they're on a branch, and those are realistic looking birds. So there are kind of a greenish blue color, and then they have a line to their face, like to their beak, and it's black. They have reddish eyes, a brown top and head, and on the other side it has flowers on it. So it has beautiful little flowers. So yeah, the branch goes right around to another of the same type of bird. So it goes under her, where her waist is, to where under her arm is, to her left arm, and it also has like a button that has like the world art on it, which is very cute. And yeah, and she's wearing and her shirt is light pink. It's a shirt. No, a onesie, sorry, is light pink. The flowers are a darker pink. And yeah, and the branch, well, it's a branch color. The birds are like really realistic looking. And there's even a white heart in the back of it. I don't know if you can see. I can try to bring it closer. So this is pink, but it's really, really, really light pink. And so are the pants. She has pants that are really, really, really light pink. I think it shows on this too how light it is. And then she has little pink slippers that I got online. And they have like big, big round buttons as a design. And they're very cute. They're very cute slippers. And then she has some pink socks, pink orangey socks. And then I have Princess Princey. She's wearing a top that has stars on it for like space, and then she also has. This is overalls, but I put under because you wouldn't have been able to see it. And then she has like pants, and to me these look like balloons. And I was thinking we're not going up in the sky, but to me, stars are up in the sky, so I was thinking balloons would work too. So the top is a nice pink top with a bow at the collar of the light pink, and it has and the bow is the same color as the light pink shirt, and it has like a purple stars that are really, really shiny, sparkly, and then white overalls that have like blue. I'll say balloons because they look like balloons, and red and green. So, and they look like balloons because of the lines that are on it, like where you would put string. So yeah, so that's why it looks like balloons. And then, she still has her crown. Anyways, and then I have Lily. She's wearing her top, and I know you've seen it before with an owl on it. And her top is striped purple and white. Sorry, just left me from it. And in her sleeves, the lower part of her sleeve, because she's wearing long sleeve, is purple, and the collar around the neck is purple. And so and then the belly, so the owl is also purple, and it, the fake eyebrows, or I don't know what you call it, but yeah, they have like, they're purple, but they have like on at the ends of them there's like green, purple, and pink, and it has like a watery or aqua color belly, and it has like purple and pink on it, and the feet are orange, and the beak is orange, and the wings are lighter purple, and it has pink on to show that it has wings, and she has a white pair of pants. It has like flower design eyelets on it, and she's wearing pink, oh not pink, white sandals with the white pants. Yeah. So there she is, and then I will do one more thing. I will dress Malachi in this alien. Well, this is like a monster, but I'm taking space. Alien monster, but it's the same, similar. So I'm going to dress him in that. So, and I'll go get him. He's wearing blue, but I'm going to be changing him into bloody gorgeous. Oh yeah, when we did the elephant, so he's been wearing that for a while. I only changed Quinn from another outfit from then. So he's been wearing that since the other theme. His hair is a mess. He's been wearing the hat. So I'm going to undress him. Alright, I'm going to take this off him too. He has like a onesie that I put under his clothes sometimes. It has palm trees and stuff on it, which is cute. I put that on him during the summer, and then just put his clothes over that. So right now I'm undressing him. So yeah, this week it's been a very busy week. I've been running around. Like on Mondays now, I do something. On Mondays I do Tai Chi. I have my friend who teaches it to people. Teaches people Tai Chi. So I decided to go to that. I'm feeling a lot better. So I decided to go do some activities. Tuesday is arts and crafts, so I do that. And just, I can't remember, for some reason I can remember everything this week, but I know I have been really busy this week. I have a really busy week, just running around. I haven't had, even on Thursday, I wanted to do, Wednesday I was going to I got everything ready. I wanted to get them dressed, but anyways, I didn't have the time to. Friday was shopping, so I went shopping with my friends, because she needs help. She has a hard time shopping by herself, because a lot of times her energy is not as high as me now, and she uses her wheelchair sometimes, or she uses the Walmart carts she has. But a couple of times now that we've been going shopping at Walmart, for example, she would just bring her wheelchair, and I'd bring a cart, and I'd just do her shopping, and I'd just pick up a couple things for myself. That's what I would do, and that's what I've been doing. So here we go. There she is. Okay, so no, that was Friday. Sorry, not Thursday. That was Friday. And yeah, I think one day in this week I just took it relaxed and just stayed home and did some cleaning up and stuff like that. So this is cute. It is a onesie that has like little monsters on it, and little monsters, or space aliens, if you want to say. And I think Yvonne has the blanket that looks like this. Yes, she does. She had put her, she said she called her alien little baby for that day. So she had these little or she wants to call it aliens or monsters. Or I call them monsters. Anyways, on it. So she has a blanket. I have a onesie like that. And he has like a pair of brown pants with stripes on it. Like, it's like, very light gray stripes, and they have brown stripes. And then there's a brown little monster alien, if you want to, in the back. I say monster. Anyways, and so I'm going to put that on him too. And I can hear, I don't know if you can hear my bird, Raziel, making sounds in the background. I'll go get him before I go, since it's also birds today. So, here he goes again. Just putting his pants on. There you go. Yeah. So yeah, I've been on the keto diet now. That's what I started. I started the keto diet for 4 or 5 months. 4 months? 5, I don't know. But a good many months now, and I feel great on it. So there you go. That, and then he has this little shirt that has the same monsters, and when I saw that, I was like, yay! So he has those on it, so I'm going to put that on him too. So no, I don't have any robots for him, so that's what he's going to be wearing today. But yeah, he's very cute. I haven't put this on him in a while, and the onesie is actually new. I got that on, I think I went to the flea market. For here in Canada, the one I go to is called Value Village. The clothes are a lot better looking than maybe if you went to a lot of times, another place. But yeah, and this shirt I've had it for a while, and it's still flashy and bright colored. And then I'm just going to put this little hat on for the fun of it. This little hat. Cute. And his little booties on his feet. They're a bit big on his feet. Okay, and there he is. Here is my little boy, all dressed in monster, or alien, if you want to call it. So, these are all my babies I dressed for this theme. I will do one more thing for you guys. I will bring Razzie to you, and you can see Raz. So look at there, right there's my birdie Razzie, since it's birds too. So he's part of this theme today too. So yeah, thank you for watching, everyone. Hope you liked my video, and comment below, and talk to you guys soon. Bye for now.